Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to Padlet. I apologize, my last video seems to be silent and you can't actually hear anything that I was saying. So I'm going to kind of reteach some important points that I talked about in the Padlet. So first off, the first thing I talked about is making sure you're able to find your country. The way you do this is by scrolling the bar over, and you'll see that some people in, wow, Mrs. Traverson's class, great job, boys and girls, have already completed this. The other big point I pointed out is making sure when you make your comment, you are pressing the plus sign to add your comment in. You want to make sure you are writing your name. So you see my name, Ethan's name, Jai's name, Evelyn, and Ria. Then also you want to make sure when you are typing your response, you are typing underneath your name. So for example, which I will actually go back to my Ireland one. And you will see I will press the plus sign. I will add my name again, even if I do a second comment. And then underneath is where I'm going to write where I learned, right? I can add another comment. Another thing I learned about Ireland is that the weather, which is a different subtopic than what we researched, but something that I found out and found very interesting. And you'll see why later this week. I think the weather is important to know. The weather is cold and rainy. So make sure you pack yourself a sweater if you are traveling. Oops, there. So you'll see now I have my comment. If I go out, it is there, and I have the ability to comment on it, right? I can comment on Ethan's on the bottom by pressing the add comment button. So those are the most important things I talked about in the last video. One last thing actually before I place this so other people can see is make sure you have three comments, not three comments, excuse me, three subtopics you're talking about in your comments. So my first one was about the euro, so the money they use in Ireland. The second one was about the landmarks where they can travel. And the third one was about the food that they have in Ireland. So make sure you're commenting three. I'm noticing already that there's not three different subtopics you're talking about. So make sure you are doing that. Hopefully this quick video will help you navigate the Padlet and understand the expectations for this assignment. Once again, I apologize for the other video and work hard. Bye, boys and girls.